I picked up this 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe at a local auction for dirt cheap because the interior looks just like this. It smells horrible, the seats are all stained, and there's grime and dirt everywhere. When you have a car like this, you can make a ton of money flipping it, and at the end of this video, I will do a complete price breakdown so I can show you exactly how much I made. So if you're new, hit that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and get started on detailing this interior. Now, because these seats were so greasy and grimy, applying my carpet cleaning solution, which is just BioBrake and some OxyClean, onto these seats, hitting with the drill brush, doing a single extraction pull with no water injected, and then re-scrubbing them again had to be done to make sure all of that grease and grime was removed. Now, if you're looking to flip cars, I do have a full course that I have linked down below that goes into in-depth detail on exactly every spot that I find all of these cars that I flip. Now, like I said, this was a local auction I picked this up from, and it was actually an estate sale auction. You just need to look in your local community for anything that is going up for sale, especially estate sales, because there are cars that do come up that are great buys. So one word of caution when flipping is to take in consideration the interior color of the fabric seats, the carpets. All those things come into play, especially with light colored fabrics. I try to shy away from those as much as I can because a black interior is much easier to clean, because when you're extracting, if you don't remove every ounce of dirt within the foam inches deep, even after drying, you're not gonna see it. It's just you can't see it. But on tan or light colored fabrics, 4 hours might go by after it's been drying and those stains pull back up to the surface, and it sucks when you've spent all of this time doing a detail and you have to do it all over again. So it's the biggest buzzkill after putting in all that work. So I prefer darker colored interiors, but if you do have a good deal on one with lighter color, just keep that in mind when you're doing it. When you have the opportunity to buy a car in this situation, always bring your OBD scanner with you. It allows you to check to see if there's any error codes or faults on the engine. Test drive the thing just like you would with any other flip. Make sure it drives right, because you need to figure out a general baseline of what the car is like and what you need to put into it, how much money, how much work and effort. So when it comes to flipping cars, you have to know your demographic of customer. This car in particular, being a 3-row car, being able to fit those extra people in it, or kids, or for families. If you live in an area that is very residential, very family oriented, this car is a no-brainer, makes total sense, and you will sell it no problem. It also is a super economical car, and when you have prices that are as high as they are, as long as you can get a price that is good on the auction price or from a purchase price, you can definitely make some profit on it. All right, so for the price breakdown, I picked this car up for $11,650. It had 85,000 miles on it, and it had a check engine light, which I think is partially the reason why I got it so cheap. At $11,650, taxes, fees, and registration were right around $1,065, and then I was able to then post it on Facebook Marketplace and sell it for $15,000. This leaves me with a profit of $2,284.50, which is a heck of a profit for just about 7 days of work. If you guys want to learn more about flipping, subscribe to this channel. Also check out the course that I have linked down below to give you guys more tips and advice. I have it super economically priced, and I'm also running a flash sale on foxclean.com for all your detail and supplies. So definitely check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.